It is my pleasure to now pronounce them husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Babe, where are the doves?
I didn't know you wanted doves.
I want doves.
You want doves? She wants doves. Zach, I can make some. I just do this. Oh, doves.
Okay. Babe, can we have live music?
We could get live music someday.
It's just not classy.
So you mean right now, you mean today?
You can do that for me, right?
Yes, totally. Zach, live music. Do a thing. Can I borrow this?
Looks a little smaller today, doesn't it? It's only 3 layers. Is it gluten-free? That's not a limo. It's not as big as my last wedding, but okay. Did you get the Ritz, honey? You know how much I love the Ritz. Like, I'm sure we're on the VIP pass. I can always have Daddy make the Ritz. What are you doing? What are you doing?
We can get some cake.
Cake sounds nice.
All right, that was a fun video to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey, I'd love to know, comment down below if you've been in situations or been at events where you're like, I wish I had a magical buddy to help me out, solve the problem. Comment what those situations are down below, and maybe it'll inspire a future short film for us. All right, so subscribe here, and old videos right there. This is good cake.